Are you committed to this journey of personal development? There is one thing to want to change. There is another to actually change. There is a whole big mindset to get you there to actually change. So I wanted to make you aware that personal development will require commitment on your part. It will require commitment of money, commitment of time, commitment of other resources. There will be opportunity cost. You give up something in order to get something else. And it will reveal every stone that is unturned. If you have emotional issues, whether it's rejection, unforgiveness, and all that, it will reveal all that. If you have issues with your finances, it will reveal all that. So personal development is our main foundation to get to where we want to go. It doesn't matter how much you desire to start a business, to have a wonderful family, good relationship. If you haven't changed, you are the main person in this whole equation. There is that saying that goes, if you change, everything changes. That's true. If you change for the better, everything around you will change for the better. But you have to change your mindset and be that person who can actually embody your heart's desires. If you're walking around feeling broke and disgusted, guess what? Your whole environment is going to be like that. But if you walk around bold, knowing you're going to make it, knowing success is yours, knowing greater things are for you, in you, you'll embody that and you'll easily share it with everybody else. Because as we learn all these lessons, we have to teach them to the people around us. So as you learn, make sure you're sharing. Don't keep it to yourself. The beauty of sharing is people ask you questions, and if you don't know, you go work on it or you find answers. So you keep growing, and it will concrete whatever you learned into your mind. Personal development is going to reveal laziness. One of the main things I've noticed, it is a good thing, but it's not a good thing at all. When I post a video, many members, friends, are quick to like the video without actually watching it and getting the nugget. Likes are good, but personally, I don't care about likes. You have to get the content and actually apply it. To the degree at which you apply it, those are the results you'll get. So if you like, if you share, if you put thumbs up and all the other emojis without actually listening to the content, processing it, applying it, making it second nature, in a year, we are going to see who took the nuggets and who didn't. It's going to be like night and day. Those who took it to heart and made the change, it will be visible. When I started my personal development journey, it wasn't only me. Many people, I'm sure, were on this road to make themselves better. Many of them, you meet them, and their mindset is the same as 5 years ago. Nothing has changed, no expansion whatsoever. Those who remain dedicated, you can tell the difference. It's like night and day. Life does not lie if you take care of the root and the foundation. The fruit will be visible, it will be tangible. Remember that verse that says, be like a mustard seed? It's too small, it's the smallest of all, but then it grows these big trees where everybody can sit into, where all the birds take the tree as a home. Be that mustard seed. Start slowly, but grow so big into this wonderful big tree so that all the people around you can be able to find a home in your tree. Eat from your fruit, enjoy. It's wonderful once you put personal development as part of your journey, but it's all up to you. Remember, personal responsibility is the number one thing. So we won't be blaming anything outside of us. It's all on us 100%. Well, this is just to encourage you. Leave your comments below. As always, leave me your questions. It's Mother Eagle here. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.